Can I use any clear coat over Rustoleum paint, or should I stick to a specific brand?
Hello, and welcome. Today, we're going to address a commonly asked question in the world of DIY projects. Can I use any clear coat over Rustoleum paint, or should I stick to a specific brand? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what to do and what not to do when it comes to choosing a clear coat for your Rustoleum paint job.
What is Rustoleum paint?
Rustoleum is a popular paint brand known for its protective qualities, especially against rust. It's commonly used in DIY projects that involve metallic surfaces. The right clear coat can enhance Rustoleum's durability and give it a professional finish.
Can I use any clear coat over Rustoleum paint?
The short answer is, not all clear coats are compatible with Rustoleum paint. Certain clear coats may not adhere well to Rustoleum, leading to subpar results like cracking or peeling over time. Moreover, some clear coats can react with Rustoleum's formula, which could damage the appearance and protection of your project.
What kind of clear coat should I use then?
Rustoleum themselves make a line of clear coats designed to work perfectly with their paints. The safest bet is to use a clear coat from Rustoleum to ensure compatibility and longevity of your paint job. It's always a good practice to stick with the same brand's products as they're typically designed to work together.
What if I want to use a different brand?
If you wish to use a clear coat from a different brand, it's crucial to first test the clear coat on a small, inconspicuous area. This way, you can make sure the clear coat is compatible with Rustoleum paint without risking your entire project. Always allow the test spot to dry fully before making your assessment. In conclusion, while you can use a clear coat from a different brand over Rustoleum paint, it's generally safer and more effective to stick with a Rustoleum clear coat. If you decide to experiment with other brands, always remember to do a test spot first. We hope this information guides you to a successful, long-lasting paint job. Thanks for watching, and happy painting!